Today, we're going to show you how to program a Chevy Silverado Truck Key, which we've got right here. Now, this is going to work on a lot of different Chevy vehicles. This is a Silverado 2500, but this works for the 1500, as well as other truck-based Chevy platforms if you've got a key that looks something like this. So in order to do this, if you've lost all your keys, you got to get a new key cut, which we've got, or you got to have a spare, so we've got that right here. All you're going to do is put your key in the ignition. Then you're going to turn it, and it's not going to start the car, and you're just going to leave it. And what's going to happen is everything pops up, and then you see there's this little logo right here, this security logo right here. You're just going to leave the key turned on like this, and you got to wait for about 10 minutes. And then once that goes off, you take the key out and completely out, turn the vehicle off, and then you do the same thing a second time, and then you got to wait another 10 minutes and until that logo goes off, and then you got to do it a third time, wait another 10 minutes, and then this will start flashing or doing something different, and then you're going to be able to reprogram your Chevy Silverado Truck Key. So this is if you've lost all your keys and you got to get a new key cut. I had a key that broke, so I needed to get a new key and then program this transponder key. So this is a 2010 Chevy Silverado 2500. However, this is going to work on a wide range of vehicles. So I'll go down the list of what it's going to work with, and then we'll come back in 10 minutes once this has gone off, and then we're going to do it again. 10 minutes has passed, and you can see that key icon went off. So what we're going to do is turn the key completely off, take it out of the ignition, and we're going to do the same thing. And we're going to let it sit for another 10 minutes, and you can see that went on again. So this is the second of the 3 times, and I've got a whole bunch of other lights on, but one's just an oil change and the other one's a tire sensor, but ignore those. This is the one you want to watch for, that security logo. So took 10 minutes on the first one. It's going to take about 10 minutes on the second one, and we'll come back once that light goes off. And then we'll do it again. All right, it's been about 10 minutes. So this is the third and final time that we need to do this. That logo for the security key went off. So we're going to remove the key, which we've got right here. Okay, completely remove it. We're gonna put it back in, and we're gonna turn it back on, and we're gonna wait once again for this logo to go off or start blinking. So we gotta give it another 10 minutes. We'll be back when that logo goes off, and then we're going to try and start the truck. And this is for Chevy Silverado 2500 2010. However, it works with a wide variety of models, other Chevy trucks, and other Chevy truck platform-based vehicles. This will work for Chevy Silverados 2007 through 2016. It'll work on Chevy Silverados 1500, 2500, and 3500 with a key. It will also work on GMC Sierra vehicles 2007 through 2016, and it will work for Chevy Tahoe vehicles 2007 through 2014. So just take a look and make sure you've got a similar key and a similar dashboard display, and this should work for your vehicle. Okay, the light went off for the third time. So what we're going to do is remove the key all the way. We're going to put it back in, and this time our vehicle should start up. There we go. We've got our new key programmed for the Chevy truck. Everything's running good. I need the tire monitors replaced and need to get the check engine light off, but the vehicle is running. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.